And welcome back. Okay, in this video we're going to take all the elements of the information that we've been assembling over the last couple of videos and actually write them to the screen. So we're going to need to have an object to write them to, and then some code to bring in those static variables we've been building and set them in the right place on the screen, move them around, make it all work. It's actually, this is kind of the big payoff from the last two videos. Now, the kind of object that we're going to use for this is called a GUI text, which is almost the same as what we used before, which was called a GUI texture. So similar function, similar name, shouldn't be too confusing at all. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is come up to the Game Object menu, create other GUI text. And there it is. Kind of small, we'll deal with that later. But first thing we're going to do is rename it down here in the Hierarchy menu. So I'm going to call this Scorecard. And now we need a script. So we're going to come to the Create menu, JavaScript. We're going to call this Scorecard as well. And enter and double click to open it. And current score, there it is, Scorecard. All right, now we're going to bring in those values from the other functions with new variables here. So variable stret, which is a string, remember capital S. And we're going to set that equal to timer, which is our other function, .str_time. And semicolon, there's that half. Then var string str_score, and colon, and it's a string as well. And we're going to set this equal to a empty space. That's our way of changing the variable type in the quickest way. Current score .int current score. So that gives us that variable translation there. Okay, now we've got our two pieces. We're going to attach them to the object. So GUI text.text is equal to, and we want some labels here. So the literal word score, got a space at the end there, and then a plus, and we're concatenating our string score variable, plus, and quotes again, and the literal et, and colon, and spaces on each side of it, plus stret. And there it is. Semicolon at the end, don't forget. Looks good. Looks fine. We'll save it, and yeah, it's okay. I was thinking there's something wrong. We did save it. All right, so we can close that, and now we need to attach the script to the GUI text object. Click on it. There's the script. Okay, it's all fine, and let's run it. And there it is. Kind of hard to see, but let's, okay, we got some points. I guess the sky, yeah, that's probably the best. There it is. Now, it's too small. The font's too thin, all kinds of problems. There, we just clicked over to 95. There, 94. It's working. Like I said, there's all kinds of problems. It's too small. It's too thin a font. Maybe we want a different color. All kinds of things left to do, but well, that's why we have more videos. So we'll see you on the next one.